When she uses hands, that sugar fucking scoot. Her mouth looks like a pingu, and I was screaming nude. I am such a virgin, call me forever alone guy. She in the bed, butt naked, wondering why. My bars are so hot, they were practically fried. I'm a mortal bitch, I never die. After I DM her Snapchat account, we get to her place and I pulled down her blouse. Pulling up at a party and I'm feeling fucking nice. Maybe I'll just give my days some spice. So while I'm dancing, I walk and walk. I go up to a girl and we talk and talk. Somehow the conversation got a little sexual. We started talking about a certain phallic-shaped vegetable. We couldn't stop talking. This might be shocking, but in the end our talk somehow led to bed rocking. She uses hands that sugar fucking scoot. Her mouth looks like a bingo and I be screaming nude. I am such a virgin, call me forever alone guy. She in the bed, butt naked, wondering why. My bars are so hot, they were practically fried. I'm a mortal bitch, I never die. After I DM her Snapchat account, we get to her place and I pull down her blouse. I see bitches, I see snitches, and those fuckers get some stitches. I don't voodoo, that is gay shit, deep in bitches doing stretch. I hate lolly, that's just creepy. Your bitch bounces on my pee-pee. When she's doing me, she moans like shush. In the kitchen, some dude passes the brown note. I ain't no redditor, but his fart made me downvote. Your mama's fucking gay. All I have to say is that this party was so poggers I had to lay down. When she uses hands, that sugar fucking scoot. Her mouth looks like a pingu, and I was screaming nude. I am such a virgin, call me forever alone guy. She in the bed, butt naked, wondering why. My bars are so hot, they were practically fried. I'm a mortal bitch, I never die. After I DM her Snapchat account, we get to her place and I pull down her blouse.